dash x by fx dx equal to log mod f of x. Write the formulas. F dash x by fx dx log mod fx. Dash means derivative. See on the board, for example, 6x by 3x square plus 10 dx. What is the derivative of this one? 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x, derivative. Derivative is 3 into 2x, that is 6x. Derivative of any constant 0. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. When the problem in the form of a f dash x by fx, we apply log mod f of x 3x square plus 10. Second formula, integral f dash x by root fx dx, root fx dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c, plus c. Suppose there is root function. This is f of x. This is f dash x. F dash x by root fx. 2 root fx. This is the answer. Third formula, integral f of x power n, f of x power n into f dash x dx, f of x power n plus 1, power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. One example problem, listen. Suppose given this problem, sin x power 1 by 2, listen. This is f of x. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. So f of x power n f dash x. So we apply this formula, f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next, fourth formula, integral integral tan x dx log mod secant x or minus log mod cos x, integral of cot x dx log mod sin x or minus log mod cosecant x minus log mod cosecant x plus c. Sixth formula, integral secant x dx, secant x dx, log mod secant x plus tan x plus c, or log mod tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 plus x by 2. Integral cosecant x dx, log mod cosecant x, log mod cosecant x minus cot x dx, or log mod tan x by 2, log mod tan x by 2 plus c, Actually, this is the IP formula. Sometimes in objective given this formula also. So you read both formulas for MSET. Read both formulas for MSET. Next. One by a square minus x square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by under root a square minus x square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by x square minus a square. See on the board. Root function, no root function. Similarly, root function. Sine inverse x by a. Suppose there is no root function, 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by log mod a plus x by a minus x sin h inverse x by a 1 by a tan inverse x by a cos h inverse x by a 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by log mod x minus a by x plus a under root a square plus x square. See on the board, same, but this is in the numerator. In the numerator. In the numerator. In this formula there is denominator. Denominator, denominator. Same function in the numerator. See on the board. All of you see on the board. X by 2. X by 2. X by 2. When there is x by 2 term, this function repeats under root a square minus x square, a square plus x square, x square minus a square. Next, a square by 2, a square by 2, a square by 2. When there is x by 2, same function repeats. When a square by 2, 1 by value repeats. 1 by cos h inverse. 1 by sin h inverse, this is cos h inverse. Sin inverse x by a. Sin h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse x by a. When x by 2, then the same function repeats. When a square by 2, 1 by function repeats. 1 by formula is sin inverse. 1 by formula is sin h inverse. 1 by formula is cos h inverse. Plus, remember this minus. జాగ్రత్త గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Write down